I'm presenting on agriculture production on key development objectives. We have first, that is the definition. Like development is realizing people's potential, enhancing their capabilities by the way of cultural, socio-economical, and political emancipation. The objectives are socio-economic growth through production, eradicating hunger by year 2020. This can be done by irrigation agriculture to contribute 50% of production that is in Tanzania. Then sustainability. The objectives are ensuring agricultural production that is environmentally friendly, economically efficient, and local level revolving fund for innovations. Then there are pass-on programs, that is for dairy and meat cattle. I hope you understand the pass-on program.
You need to explain
it. The pass-on program is when maybe the government brings into the community maybe a herd of cattle. When they have cows, the calf is passed on to the next person and they'll own that one. Then the process goes on, they breed, and then they just keep the young ones. Then examples of policies and institutions that enable 3D innovation. At national level, we have tax waiver on agricultural implements and machinery. We have multi-sectoral approach to innovation development, that is integrated approach to agricultural production. Then there is government intervention on crop pest management. Then there is research into use institute which facilitates innovation platforms, agricultural research centers and institutions. Then we have ADEP and CAD. Policies at international level. There is international and national support for agricultural research, national policies on GMOs to be acceptable internationally, in initiatives like NEPAD, CADIP, FARA, AGRA, Blue Forum, FADEMA, and ADP, which are global, regional, and national. Then we have recommendations at national levels. There's enhancing research and development through awards, network strengthening, bringing in farmers in decision-making processes in research development, and government as buyer of last resort. And we have recommendations at international level. There is enhancing research and development through awards as well. There is network strengthening internationally. Then bringing in farmers in decision-making processes, that is internationally as well. Thank you.